is up, fam? It's Doc P C7Z here, trying to do an oil change for the C7. C7Z over there. So yeah. Yeah, just trying to do this right now. I'll give y'all a step-by-step for those who are trying to get their C7 changed. And yeah, pretty much. So just stay tuned. It is still hot. It's still hot. Always inspect the boat. So basically in a C7 oil change you have two bolts, one right here and one right here. So as you can see, I marked it, see that? Marked it just to make sure that, you know, we see, ow, that's hot, that's still hot. I mean, anyway, the oil filter, hand type, just undo these two bolts right here, these two right here, these one and these ones, so that way you can drain them. So watch out for this one, because this one just ejected a good projectile pretty much. So just stay right there while I drain the catch can. So there's not much on the catch can, which is pretty good. So all right. So I'm not even sure if y'all be able to see this one. Well, let's bring y'all here. So the C7ZO6 is a dry sump system where you fill up the oil over here on this side. So right there. So what we're gonna do is, I'm not even sure if I'll be able to. Oh, we're about to figure it out. Let's see. I'm about to figure it out, ladies and gentlemen. Don't worry. Got y'all. We'll see if that works. Nope, I don't trust that one bit. Nah, it's all good. Well, folks, just fill up the oil over there and you should be good. 10 quarts.